Hello and welcome back to the channel. I had some meat pies order, so I decided to just film the process for you guys. So at this point I was done preparing the filling for the meat pie. Can you see how yummy it is looking? So once I was done packing the filling, and then here is my dough. Here's my meat pie molder, my flour, and everything I'm going to be needing for the production process. Okay, so can you see how yummy this meat pie filling is looking? So at this point I was done with all of the meat pie. Okay, so I want to egg wash them, okay, before putting them into the oven. So I just cracked in one egg inside my bowl, and then I'm just going to use my fork. I'm just whisking my egg. Okay, so after that I'm just going to go ahead now and then poke some holes inside my meat pie, so this will help the air to come out, like, so that there won't be too much of air inside the meat pie. It will just help the air to escape. Okay, so at this point I was already egg washing all of my meat pies. So I already have a meat pie video, a fish pie video, where I also explain how you can make a meat pie on the channel. So if you want to see another video where I made meat pie, like something like this that you're seeing, please drop a comment for me in the comment section, and I'm going to work on it. So I'm egg washing all of my meat pie. Once I was done doing that, I put them inside the oven, okay, and I started baking the meat pie. Okay, so once I was done baking, at this point it was ready. I had to check what was going on in the oven. Okay, so this is me just trying to bring them out of the oven. Can you see, guys, how the meat pie is looking? And it is so yummy. Okay, when I say yummy, I mean it is so yummy. Can you see, guys? So I'm just going to go ahead and bring them out of the oven. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. There's a lot of package waiting for you guys. There are a lot of tutorials that I have to upload. Okay, so I just brought them out of the oven like this. Okay, so once I was done bringing them out of the oven, I just allowed them to cool down, and then I went ahead to pack them for the delivery. Hope you find this video helpful. Hope you learned one or two things from this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment if you want to see another recipe, a detailed recipe for meat pie only on the channel. Don't forget to drop a comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.